Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to weld stuff in ROBLOX Studio. This is really easy, so all you need to do is grab a part. Actually, I think you're going to need two. Let's make another one. So, to weld stuff, you just put them together. There are easier ways to do this. Right click them in the Explorer. If you can't find the Explorer, go to View at the top. Then you go to the big one at the left. Properties is also very useful, but we don't really need it right now. So this is Properties and this is Explorer. They're both very useful tools. So this is Part and this is Part. They're both the same. So we're just going to right click it, Insert Object, then we're going to scroll down, or we can just type it in, but just need to find Weld Constraint. You don't want Weld, you want Weld. Now you have to go into the Weld Constraint, then go over to Properties, which I showed you how to get earlier. Then where it says Part 0, you click it, press Part, then you click one of them. Where it says Part 1, you click the name, and then click the other one. So now, if we lift both of them up, and we run it, I think it's F8. Yeah, well, it did something. Yeah, see, look. Oh, it broke. Okay, that's a bit strange. See, look, they fall at the exact same speed. So move one. I know a good demonstration. Sorry about the truck engine. That's just a tank. Don't question it. So we get this one. See, look, at the same angle. That's because they're welded. So they can be as far apart as you like. If I move this one, they'll still be connected. If I move them both up, and then drop them both down again. See? So that's how you weld stuff in ROBLOX Studio. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time. If you want any other ROBLOX Studio videos, please tell me in the comments. Thanks.